Hello friends, welcome all of you to this Facebook live session. Today I Dr. Niradhar De, faculty member School of Education, Indira Gandhi National Open University, and my personal behalf and on behalf of School of Education IGNOU, I welcome all of you to this program. Friends, today we are going to discuss one of the very important course, one of the core course, that is BES 122 Contemporary India and Education, which is a course of IGNOU B.Ed program, Bachelor of Education program. This course has been kept in the B.Ed program in the first year of this program. As you know that B.Ed is a 2 years program as per NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education, which is a regulatory body. And this course BES 122 Contemporary India and Education, that has been kept in the first year of this program. This is one of the compulsory course. And today we will discuss a detailed introduction of this course, the course objectives, the course design, different blocks, then after different units in the blocks. And this course, this program will give you a detailed understanding about the content point, about the concept, and the major issues that has been addressed in this course. So friends, before discussing the detail about this course Contemporary India and Education, let us first have a look on the a brief overview about the B.Ed program, which is developed by Indira Gandhi National Open University and which has been launched from the July 2016 session. Friends, today we will take two sessions on this course BES 122. This is the part 1 of this session. Then after this session again we will discuss the rest of the issues, that is the you can say especially the design of this course, that is different blocks and different units, different content points, and different concepts that has been addressed in different units, that is in the second part of this program. So today two sessions will conduct. First session will discuss the objectives and the major concept of this course, and in the second program in part 2 will discuss about the particular content point, the particular issues, the particular concept that has been addressed in different blocks. So friends, let us go forward to understand about about this IGNOU Bachelor of Education B.Ed program. As you know, NCTE, which is the regulatory body of teacher education program, different teacher education programs, that is National Council for Teacher Education, NCT has come out with a curriculum framework, that is as per the NCTE regulations 2014. This program, the B.Ed program, has been developed. NCTE has given a detailed concept note and a brief outline about the concept of different courses, both in theory as well as in skill oriented and practical courses. And basing upon the concept notes of NCTE, Indira Gandhi National Open University has designed a beautiful, a very good curriculum, keeping in consideration of the theoretical construct, at the same time the practice, the practical aspect, and the skill that is required to prepare a teacher. Okay. And let me to say, this is one of the Bachelor of Education B.Ed program is one of the flagship program of Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is one of the very demanded and popular program of IGNOU. We launched this program, the revised program has been launched from July 2016 session, and students are taking admission in January session of every year. You can say the teaching learning process, the pedagogy, so far as the teacher education programs are concerned, just like in diploma in elementary education, bachelor of education and master of education, DLED, B.Ed and M.Ed, as per the NCTE regulations 2014, you will find that this has been designed as per the constructivist approach of teaching learning process, constructivist approach of pedagogy. So friends, the B.Ed program, which is developed by Indira Gandhi National Open University, you will find that all the courses, all the content points, that has been designed in such a way that the students, the student teachers, the trainee teachers, they have been kept in a center of this program. Means all the teaching learning experiences, all the you can say both pedagogy as well as the theoretical constructs of this program are designed keeping in consideration of the need, of the interest and the skills that is required for the teacher to be a good teacher. So that's why this has been designed as per the constructivist approach of the teaching learning process. And at the same time, friends, let me to say, if you will go through the National Curriculum Framework 2005, NCF 2005, which is developed by NCERT, and NCFTE, National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education, which is developed by NCTE, NCFTE 2009, you will find that a type of you can say multidisciplinary aspect, a type of interdisciplinary aspect that has been addressed in both the curriculum framework for teacher education and curriculum framework for school education. Okay, so that's why here in B.Ed curriculum, in IGNOU B.Ed curriculum, you will find that the concept, the philosophy and the other approaches in pedagogy and teaching learning process which is developed, which has been practiced, which has been included in this program, that has been highly addressed keeping in consideration of the philosophy of the constructivist approach, philosophy of multidisciplinary teaching. Okay, you see friends, the world is moving very fast, very rapidly. Okay, you will find that the school education curriculum as well as the teacher education curriculum of different countries, different other countries, so now they are trying to move from a multidisciplinary teaching learning process or multidisciplinary approach to a transdisciplinary approach. Here in Indian teacher education program, we have also very well cope with the development which is taking place in school education and teacher education across the globe. Then accordingly, a beautiful concept note has been prepared, has been developed by NCT as per the NCT regulation 2014, and that has been implemented across the country. And as like the NCT regulation 2014, IGNOU is also developed a beautiful curriculum. So friends, let me to say that Indira Gandhi National Open University is the first university in this country who has come out with a detailed material of different courses. You will find it is first time in this country that as per NCT regulation 2014, you will find a detailed course package, you can say the program package that has been developed. Okay, and you see for the first time many new courses, many new concepts, many new pedagogy that has been introduced in B.Ed curriculum, Bachelor of Education curriculum as per NCT regulation 2014. And this has been realized, this has been observed that the teacher educators, they are facing a little difficult because of